Do you suffer from debilitating joint pain, maybe from an injury or arthritis? Have you been told you need joint surgery? Well, wait before you do anything. I have been invited to Phoenix Spine and Joint to meet the doctors here, and I'm with Dr. Nathan Moore, and let's talk about surgery. If by chance you do need surgery, you have said to me, you know what, you want to make sure that you have somebody who is experienced and knows what they're doing. That's what the doctors here at Phoenix Spine and Joint provide?
Absolutely. Experience is key. Someone who's done many of these procedures, particularly an expert in that exact field that you're looking to have treated. For example, shoulder, knee, hip, back. A specialist that's had added training in that field.
Phoenix Spine and Joint. They have 3 locations: Scottsdale, Goodyear, and Gilbert. Call 602-256-2525. Learn more. Visit the website phoenixspineandjoint.com.